Hello everybody, doing a pizza video. This is for my kids. It's a kids pizza. I'm just gonna do cheese, and I made it really thick. Just follow the recipe for sauce and crust, and then just roll this out, and then to get a nice thick crust on the end, I'm just gonna bunch this up. And just roll it out. Basically, this is what I start out with. I start out with the ball and roll that. And I just keep rolling from the center out to the sides. Basically, how I know this is going to fit, I put this down here, and this will fit right on here, so then this will slide right into my pizza. Because this is my pizza oven back here, and my pizza oven is a little bit bigger than this, so I know when this fits this, it's going to fit that. Will be good. I use cornmeal. I just lightly put this on here. You don't want too much because then it'll overpower the pizza. You just want enough to make this slide right off. So I kind of just spread this around lightly. Get this a nice even pattern all around. And this should be plenty to have the pizza slide off. That's perfect. I think we're good here. So what I usually do is to get this easy to do and put sauce and cheese on, I take this, I move this to the side, and I'm going to put this right on my pizza peel. Lift this right up, put it right there, and we're on with the pizza peel. Alright, now we're good. Just to check to see if this is going to slide, just give it a nice shimmy on here like this, and it slides nicely. You don't want to give it too much, and you'll slide right off. So first things first, I'm going to put sauce on. And I got my big container of sauce that I made earlier. I'm just going to put... And the kids, they're not crazy about sauce, so I'm not putting too much sauce on. I'm going to kind of spread that around. I don't want to overdo it. Just get this covered up right up to the crust line on the outside. I just try to get it evenly all the way around, and just enough coverage right to the edges of their sauce on the whole pizza. I think we're good there. Alright, so that's our sauce, we're good there. And now I'm going to put some cheese. These kids only like cheese pizza, so this is what we're going to do. I got a mix of mozzarella and provolone cheese. I'm going to put a decent amount of cheese on here. You want to put it right up to the edge. You don't want to put too much on the edge because what will end up happening is if you put a thick layer on the edge, it'll end up melting and it'll overflow. So I kind of try to just put a few pieces near the edge where it's not too much, so it's not overflowing, but we also have cheese coverage. There we go. That looks pretty good. This is a quick, easy pizza for kids. There it is. Test and see if it slides, and it slides. So we're going to put this in our pizza oven. Slide this right inside. And you want to slide from the back. forward. And I'm using a pizza stone inside there in my pizza oven. This oven gets up to 700 degrees and it's gonna cook quickly. This is a pizza oven I got on Amazon. It's really nice. It gets really hot. It has a heating element on the top and it has the pizza stone on the bottom with a heating element below. So it's cooking the pizza and the cheese toppings on the top, and then it's cooking everything, the crust below. So you got a double layer there, not just from the top, not just from the bottom. So it works perfectly for me. And if you're cooking more than one pizza, this should be good enough for another pizza. You can add just a little more. And then spread that out. And now you're ready for your next pizza. Use the same one. Good to go. You know, you always got to keep checking the pizza. Always checking it. Going good. One of these are really good to have. This folds up nicely. Folds it away. This is nice to turn around your pizza and also pull it out. The oven, it's nice metal there, so it won't burn. Then you got a nice thick handle on here so you won't feel any heat or anything like that. But these are great to have. I got this on Amazon. Pizza's still cooking pretty good. Okay, you just want to check your pizza. Kind of good on the bottom still, it's still cooking. Give it a churn. Keep it churned evenly around until it's fully finished. Yeah. And there you have it. Pizza is nice and done. You want to let that rest, cut it up, and enjoy.